My name is Ian Piero Melet Chavez. I'm studying English TA2 with my professor Irina Milagros Valdivia Bravo. I'm studying at Universidad Peruana de Ciencias Aplicadas, UPC, and the topic that I'm going to talk about is the digital age. So, welcome to the digital age. The digital age, or also known as the information age, is a period of history that began in the half of the 20th century. The information age is called like this because it is more easy to get or to access knowledge that would have been difficult to find some years ago. But the question is, how the information age affected to the society? Well, I am going to talk about some advantages and disadvantages about the digital age to explain this. The internet is the most important contribution for society to communicate. Nowadays, we count with instant messaging, video calls, voice chats, which become more efficient, cheaper, and faster when we want to be in touch with someone. Another point about advantages of the information age is a good way to get feedback from users, more easily than some years before. So, if you're selling something, nowadays you can just post your products in some social media and be rated by users, get statistics, or even better, get comments about your products, and improve your quality, and you have a better connection with the customer, improving the way they want. And also for the user, they could buy directly from your webpage with no necessarily go to the shop. This also happens when we want to order food. Now just one click or tap is enough to get our favorite food. Also, one more advantage is that we have easy self-learning. We have a lot of information about how to do anything, since documents in PDF formats, electronic books, and web pages until tutorial videos. However, we also have disadvantages about the information age. One of these could be filtration of personal information. In information age, we have to register our personal information, like full names, emails, phone numbers, to some web pages with the objective to buy something, order food, or just use any social media. Our information is saved into a database that can be filtered in the internet, and anyone can use it for criminal purposes like fraud, robbery, or even worse, supplantation of identity. Another disadvantage of this technological age is some people disconnect from society. The internet is too addictive since we can do almost everything from home. Some people tend to isolate themselves, and this could be harmful for them because of his physical health or psychological health. One more disadvantage is about fake information around the internet. Of course, we can reach a lot of knowledge in only some minutes, but of course not all the information is completely true. One example of this could be fake news. Here we have some sources that I got my images, information, and which program I am using to record. And now I'm going to talk about the conclusion of my topic.